Hello, everybody. I'm back with another one. My name is Anjoli. If this is your first time watching me, hey, welcome. If you're a continual watcher and you are also or are not a subscriber, well, thank you for continuing watching. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Today we are looking at a diamond painting from Aliexpress. Disclaimer, of course, YouTube requires me to do this. My videos are not intended for children, but you can watch them around kids because I don't use any language that's questionable. Also, if you are my mom, I have another Christmas present I'm trying to do for you, Mom. So turn off the channel, turn off the video, go do some diamond painting and watch somebody else, okay? So yeah, I've been getting my mom diamond paintings, as you can see. And because that's what she wanted for Christmas. So I started getting them going because they come from Aliexpress. And I don't know how long they're going to take with the whole virus thing and this whole year. But Aliexpress, Moonzero Factory Store. I haven't bought from them in a while. I didn't have any issues with them. I don't know. So it's called Cartoon Girl. It's a 30 by 40 round. $11.68, 71 cents tax, and total is $12.39. I paid for it. I ordered it on September 14th. It shipped out on the 19th of September. I got it on October 20th. I don't think there's anything else to say about that. So let's get into this. Let's see what we got. Let's see. I call it a Cartoon Girl. I don't know why. Nothing else in there that I know of. Let me double check. It looks like they gave me a grippy in the toolkit, which of course I'm giving my mom all these toolkits because I don't know if she wants them or not. If not, she can get rid of them. So they gave me, looks like a 3-placer, a grippy, and some baggies. Big thing of wax and the cheap tweezers. But that's not what we pay for, right? We don't pay for these. We pay for this. So this is what she looks like. It's supposed to be a 30 by 40, but this looks small. It doesn't look true to size. I could be wrong. But we're going to check that out too. Let's get out the inventory sheet. Let's see how many colors we got here. Sorry. Let's see. 37 colors. Wow. They call it the Cartoon Girl. I was calling her the Rainbow Girl. Rainbow Fairy. Because of the rainbows around her. And it seems like it has like a rainbow effect. The butterflies and her wings in general. So 37 colors. Only 8 bags of 310. 12 of 823. This is a nice clear inventory sheet. They do use some weird symbols. 24 of 920 of 939 so far. Yeah, so 939 on this one. In the previous video too, the 939 was like 40 bags. So yeah, we'll see what we got. Of course, I'm gonna do inventory off screen. Let's see, we got tape on this one. All right, here it is. So over on the, you know what? That's it. I don't like cutting it because it like weirds me out, but I'll have to cut that a little bit. All right, let's open this up. So nice big key on the side, which I like. All right, this one seems easier to open. I don't know if it's true to size. You know, let me. It's supposed to be around. We're gonna double check that. Ever since I got burnt, I am like scared. I got burned by I forgot the name of the store already. All right, yeah, a little off 40, which is typical sometimes. And this one seems to go right up to that legend. Wow. Well, we're gonna open and look anyway. Yeah, so this is true. 30 by 40, true to size. true to size, 30 by 40. What was the name of that store? Now I don't remember the name of it, and it's driving me insane. Oh, man, it's going to drive me crazy. But they're a big store. Everyone on Aliexpress usually buys their diamond paintings from. It's a Rapunzel I got. Oh, man, I don't remember the name of it. Oh, well. But they made it right. But they sent me a square canvas with round drills one time. So now every time I get a diamond painting, I have to double check. But it wasn't their fault. I mean, it was their fault, but they fixed it. They settled it. So they did good. I can't remember the name. Oh, it drives me crazy. So it is a round canvas. It does have the training wheels. So we'll see how that comes out. Ah, I dropped it. Let's see. I'm gonna open this up some more. Don't want to take it completely off, but I want to see how she looks here. So, what you guys think? It's a lot of dark, I'm not sure if you can tell the difference between her hair and the background. Her hair is going to be mixed with 310s and 939s. The background is going to be 939s mixed with 823s. I'm not sure about this one. Now I feel bad, like I just, got my mom a really bad one here. She might not be happy. Because it's mixed, the background. Oh, man. I hope I didn't do something wrong for her. I hope she likes it. Yeah. I just saw how pretty she looked. And how big and nice. And, you see the eyes. You see the beautiful butterflies. And now I'm like, sorry, Mom, if you watch this after. Oh, man. Let's open this side a little bit. And then I'm going to do inventory. And let you know if everything's okay. Oh, get off. Alright. So basically that's her lower half here. Her dress. There's some shading around the cleavage area, I just noticed. Through the viewfinder. I don't see it here. But through the viewfinder, things look so different. So yeah. I'm going to do inventory real quick and drive myself insane trying to remember what store that was on Aliexpress. So I'll be right back. Alright, inventory is all here. The 939 is supposed to be 24 bags and it came like this. And they have a special check mark. I hope that's 24 bags. It's pretty weird, but that's how they came. And I'm going to show this as proof. 939 is supposed to be 24 bags, and they put that special check mark there. So I hope that's right. The only thing I don't have in the shot are the 310s, which is the standard black. And then the 823s. Those are here. Every bag is labeled differently with different colors in general. This is 422. You see it's labeled different. 407 is labeled in black. This is labeled in a dark blue. 3033 is red, labeled red. But we got 152, 158, 221, 224. Some of these colors I've never seen before. 326, 347, 407, 422. 680, I've never seen this color. 680, 796, 819, 820, 824. 869 is another one I have never seen. 898, 921, 938, 950, 977, 3021, 3033, 3346, 3371. 3721's labeled with the white, which is very hard to see. See, 3721, 3774, 3776 is the one I haven't seen. 3779, 3821. no, 38.31. See how, I don't know. See, 38.31. 31, 38.58. And then we have 38.61, 38.62, 38.63, 38.64, and 38.66. These are all like tans and brown color near the end of the spectrum over here. But everything was here. And to recap, so this is from the Moonzero Factory Store. I think that's where I got my Superman one from my husband. It's called Cartoon Girls, a 30 by 40 round, 37 colors, and I paid $12.39 with tax. So that was it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Keep on diamond painting and have fun. Bye.